Hello everyone and welcome to Origami with Miss Cynthia. Now as May 4th is approaching us, Star Wars Day, if you are a Star Wars fan, stay tuned as I have some really cool origami bookmark folds to show you. We have Darth Vader and of course a stormtrooper. How fun are these? Now let's get started. The supplies you will need are 1 8.5 by 11 white sheet of paper, 1 8.5 by 11 black sheet of paper, glue, scissors, and some coloring supplies. Alright guys, once you selected your sheet of paper, we're going to bring one corner and bring it down, just like so. And then of course cut off that side piece there. Our lovely rectangle. All right, so I'm going to show you the basic fold of the bookmark, okay? And we're going to do this both when we do our Darth Vader later, and then right now we're going to work on our stormtrooper. So it's folded in half like this as a triangle. Go ahead and bring one side up like this and go ahead and crease. Opposite side, do the same exact thing. Crease it really nicely. Go ahead and open up those flaps. Now you have the top of your triangle that you're wanting to bring one of these down and crease. Now these flaps, bring them up. And what we're going to do is just tuck it inside, creating that pocket fold, just like this. Okay, so that kind of just tucks right in there. Do the same thing to the opposite side. We're going to swing this flap up to the top and pocket that corner in, just like so. Okay, this is the base of your pocket bookmark, and we're going to use this white one for our storm trooper. Okay, and then also what you're going to need to create your stormtrooper is a circle. Now this is about a 3.5 diameter circle, and what we're wanting to do is you're going to go ahead and cut that in half because we only really need half of it. And then we're going to grab our glue. And now you can just glue that into place. I'm wanting to glue so the corners of my circles don't stick out kind of funny like this. And then I don't want to go too low so I don't see the corner of my actual base of the bookmark. Okay, so I kind of I'm trying to eyeball it here without getting in your view of the camera. So you know what? I'm just going to put glue here and here. That should cover where I'm wanting to glue stuff. All right, let's try this. Okay, that's perfect. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and set this aside because I want to do the drawing a little bit later. I want to switch my background because our Darth Vader is on a black piece of paper, but I want to go ahead and come back to drawing on both of them, okay? All right, guys, so this is the same exact fold. I just switched colors to the black piece of paper. Now, that side piece that we cut off, that rectangle, I went ahead and saved it because I cut off a half circle. And what I did is fold that half circle in half. And I went ahead and cut probably like a dime size circle here, leaving a little bit because this is the where the eyes are going to be. And then I went ahead and cut off a triangle. All right, so let's go ahead and put Darth Vader together. Now, this one will sit at the top of our pocket bookmark. So we're going to mark it there. All right, I know it's kind of hard to see on the black piece of paper, but it hangs over on the top. Remember, we're wanting to hide the corners of our half circle, but then not go too low that the top of the triangle is showing here. Now, this triangle here will go inside your pocket here, sticking out, okay? So we're going to go ahead and glue that together. Let me re-glue this down again. Okay, and then it is drawing time. So with your black paper, if you have markers that you're wanting to use, like a lighter color, I got actual my whiteout pen, and what I did is just drew the lines here at the bottom, and then I went ahead and colored in my eyes with the Sharpie, and then I created a little box out here with little lines on the back, on the bottom side here of lovely Darth Vader. And I wanted to show you what I did with our stormtrooper that we paused earlier. We went ahead and I'm going to flip this around just so I can have a dark background. I went ahead and everything was glued into place, and then the drawing came along. And what I did is just kind of did a line going through where the half circle and the actual pocket connected together. We went ahead and drew in some eyes, and then an upside down V for the nose of the helmet, and just added some little features here on the side. So here is your Origami Darth Vader and Stormtrooper, and I really hope you guys enjoy this fold as much as I did. I hope you have enjoyed this video. We'll see you next week for more origami fun. And may the 4th be with you.